Babe, how you doing? Please no more walking. Please no more walking. Please no more walking. We're not even there yet, are we?
We are here now.
Where's the volcano? Okay. Give me 10 or 20 minutes and we'll go look. Oh, my Buntag, and welcome to another exciting episode of
My Filipino adventure.
So today we are in, where are we?
We are here in Tagaytay in Taal Lake.
But actually this province is called Talisay?
Talisay.
Talisay. So we're at the San Roque Paradise
Beach Paradise
Resort Hotel thingy. So it's an older place and it's got some pros and cons, but we'll talk about those later. But we just had breakfast and we kind of bummed around the little town yesterday.
Yeah.
Got settled in, but this morning, where are we going?
We're going to Volcano. Taal Volcano?
Yes, we're going to go to the Taal Volcano, which last erupted in 1977. So it's due, so maybe we'll get blown up. Right, babe? But first watch this little, it might be a little long, but go ahead and watch it all. It is our orientation from the owner of the resort, Grandma, what's her name?
I forget the name.
She forget her name, but she's a nice old lady, and she's been here for a long time, and she knows all about the volcano. So go ahead and watch this.
Okay, this is the 1911 eruption. Yeah?
Okay.
The one that you are going today. But you will go to this ridge that you will see the water here. Yeah, there's an island there, the middle, where he's always going. He is going down now there. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is more or less 3 kilometers up. You know, if you want to get the horse is 500 pesos.
Okay.
That's back and forth already. And yeah, you don't need guide. That's why I'm. There's a big way, huh?
Right. Big road.
Yeah. And then if you will take the horse, then yeah, that's already the guide. Only they don't tell you anything about the volcano. That's why I'm doing a little bit brief. So this the 1911 eruption. Now, when you are on the top, there is a way there, a pathway going to the right side. Maybe there's somebody now, it's early, or there's nobody. But they ask they ask the LGU, the local government, if they can charge 50 pesos because there is a red rock there now. Maybe it's a little bit early, maybe you will see smoke. You can also feel the smoke, yeah. And there is a red rock there. They said red lava, but that's rock. Yeah, I was there too. And yeah, here, yeah, you will see when you look at down, but you don't have to go down, because I had a German who was born, you know, he's hard-headed, and he went to this part, and it's boiling point.
Oh.
Yeah, and he sank, because when the water is boiling, of course, the under is hollow, and he was born, 2 legs were born.
Oh.
Yeah. That's why I'm always warning my visitors. Just look at it, you will see that it's boiling, and then maybe this part now you will see the smoke. There's the smoke. Everybody say that it's amazing. Yeah, but that's a really living volcano. That's why all these Europeans, also American. I had here American, Dr. Malcolm. They are professors of universities, and they are always staying here with me. And then they said that they are all doing the research here, because it's a living volcano. Yeah.
When was the last time it erupted?
That was 1977.
77.
But that's only a small eruption.
Okay.
Not like there were already 33 eruptions, but they are small ones. The 1965 eruption, that was 1965. That was a big one. There were many people died, around 200, because they don't want to leave the island. They want to stay there because they are doing their living there. And Yeah, when they left, yeah, it's already bursting the lava and the fire. And then when they were in the boat, then they sank. Yeah, that's why there were many people died. Yeah, and that was 1965 eruption. But the last one was 1977. That's a nice one.
A nice one.
Because
So-
I was born here, you know. You can see that the fire is coming up, yeah.
Fire.
And then the lava is coming up. But you
Oh.
can see it here, it's nice.
So it's due for an eruption soon, huh?
There are already many eruptions. And until now, it's living. That's why all of them, they are doing the research.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Belgian sometimes 3 times a year. Now it's second time, and then again in August he's coming.
So you said that the guy from Belgium, he's going to that island there?
Yeah, their shelter is here. He's doing the research.
Oh my God.
They have their boat.
Now
From
that's the
here, He's
volcano.
going to the other side of this mountain. This is not the volcano, huh?
Yeah, I
He
know.
will go, and then he is going to the other side of the mountain, and then he will climb there up to the crater, and then they have a boat going here.
Now that's the actual volcano, right? That island?
This is the 1911
Yeah.
era.
But that island sticking out.
Yeah, that's also volcano.
That's the volcano.
We are here, the volcano now here.
Off we go. To the volcano. Taal Volcano. Looks like an island, but it's a volcano.
There are a lot
Looks
of
like
people.
people. Oh, there's the horses you can grab. You can ride a horse up to the top, but we might just try walking it. And here comes our greeters. No photography, please. Here, what? Too big? There's your little horsey. Okay, here we are, the beginning, and we're already sweating, and we haven't even started the trail yet. It's going to be a scorcher. Well, I have no idea. Oh, chickens! I have no idea how long it's going to take us, but it's not going to be quick.
Hopefully we made it.
We're doing this for you guys. So we'll keep you updated. This looks like it gets pretty rocky here, so watch your feet. If you ever want to stop and have water, just let me know. And hopefully your sandals hold out.
Stick to it, my sandal. Stick to it. Sounds about it.
We just started. This is going to be rough.
Okay.
Whew. This is why I said in the earlier videos you should definitely go to the gym before you go on your vacation. And listen, I'm glad that I did, because I can imagine what condition I'd be in right now if I hadn't been to the gym. We're only about halfway up, if that. We might even be farther, or less than halfway. And ooh, this heat and this walk is straight up the hill. And just think, I paid money to do this.
Just for a walk.
She's not hardly sweating. I'm
Hi.
sweating bullets here. But that's just my nature. So we're gonna take 5, rest up a bit, and then we'll carry on. Trek. We had a really bad rainstorm yesterday. This was a raging river, I'm sure. all that water running down this mountain. How you doing?
Hi, I'm all sweaty.
She's all sweaty. Not as sweaty as me. So I thought we were almost there, and then we get to the top of this hill, and we still got to walk all the way up that. How much was the horse? 500 pesos?
500 pesos.
I might suggest if you come here, go ahead and splurge for the horse. We thought we'd just try to walk it, and it's a personal accomplishment, I would say, to do this without a horse.
Yeah.
So we can say that we did it, but I think if I ever came back, I would definitely do the horse.
How you doing?
I'm all right. It's sweaty. So we're getting there. This is the last stretch, it looks like, but it's a biggie.
Look at
This is.
that. People there.
Oh yeah. Does that go up there too? Oh wow. This is kind of like the anti-Mount Everest. Instead of being freezing cold, it's a climb up a mountain where it's blazing hot. Some type of scientific equipment here. It's from the Taal Volcano Observatory. Not sure exactly what that reads. I'm not a volcanologist, but I'm sure it's something to do with the volcano. These are the vultures flying overhead, waiting for me to fall over dead so they can eat me. Babe, how you doing? Please no more walking. Please no more walking. Please no more walking. We're not even there yet, are we?
We are here now.
Where's the volcano? Okay. Give me 10 or 20 minutes and we'll go look.